Hey guys, this is my first gardening video and it's going to start on the basic and the best compost tea. I hope you like it.
What the hell is compost tea? Well, I'm glad you asked because it is my favourite everyday or any day plant feed I give my plants. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make compost tea. Compost tea is a natural homemade fertilizer or soil conditioner that you can use with either your own homemade compost or you can buy a bag of organic compost like I did for a few dollars from your local nursery or hardware store. This compost tea adds nutrition and minerals your plants might be lacking in, and it's so easy to make. You just soak equal parts of compost and aged manure to a bucket of water, let it sit for up to 24 hours, and water your plants with it. In this video, I used 4 garden shovels each of both compost and manure. But if you have delicate plants or you're unsure, always start with less until you're comfortable. I have seen some people strain the tea into a cloth or hessian bag first. Myself, I prefer to take the spout off my watering can and add all those extra goodies directly to my plants. But if you want to use this as a leaf spray, then yes, I would strain it through a cloth first and mix 1 part tea to 5 parts water. Again, if you're unsure about the strength, then 1 part tea to 10 parts water and go from there. Thanks guys, I hope you like the video.
Hey everyone, so I've been neglecting my plants a lot lately, so I'm going to make compost tea today. And I've just got a 15-litre bucket. I also have a garden spade, some organic compost, cow manure, a hose or some water, and a garden stake. I'm going to put 4 scoops of each into the bucket. I like to do heat scoops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm just going to fill it to the top with water. Okay, so that's full. I'll just take my garden stake and just give it a really good stir. And you can stir this throughout the day. We're going to let it sit for 24 hours or overnight. Just giving it a few stirs every now and then. And that's it. That's compost tea. And I'll show you what you do after that. Okay, so we're going to pretend it's the next day. It'll look a lot more like tea. We'll just give it one more good stir. And I have my 9-litre watering can there. I've taken the spout off so any of the debris from the compost doesn't get stuck. And it just puts extra compost into the veggies or seedlings or plants. And we're just going to tip it in. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate with my kale. It's a little bit neglected, it's a little bit small. So I'm going to hose it first because a wet sponge absorbs more than a dry sponge, and then I'll add my compost tea. So I'll do that with all my plants and then I'll go ahead and add the compost tea. Okay, so now it's had a bit of a drink, I'm going to add my compost tea. And that's it. I love it. It's a soil conditioner. It's really, really good for your plants and they'll absorb as much as they need and they'll let go of the rest. Thanks guys.